Guys, welcome to another live rapid game playing video. Opponent is playing friends with black pieces. It's my favorite line. He's playing so I'm not explaining every move because it can crash full. I can lose time in just some key moments. What I'm thinking, I can try to share. Maybe bishop should be in d3. I can develop my queen if he captures. My head is pain and neck is paining. And I don't have, oh, he captured. I don't have a proper table. So now the pin again. That means wasting one move. Because knight is getting really stronger coming to. Okay, pin, not bad. No tactics here. Okay, attack bishop. You want to actually attack my d4. Maybe I should castle. Castling is fine because defense is. And now I cannot capture, but I can play. Oh, this is hanging. And then I need to save, but he can capture my c3 knight, making it doubled. So I'm playing with the Jambia. So here is nice. I should play this. Let's try. Yeah, he's really good, playing good and win a pawn. But I should try to counter to keep my attack counter, and my queen is under attack. Knight captures first with a check. I could exchange the queen on d6 first. We can have a check. I'll capture, he'll capture that. So pawn double on both sides, but he is a pawn winner, so in that sense, not exchanging pieces, because when opponent attacking you, don't, and opponent is a pawn up, try to keep your pieces in the board. The beginners, so now I have a nice move. Can you see, guys? Okay, he want to exchange and get my queen, but first I have a nice setup. I have a checkmate pattern, so you must save the checkmate, guys. You save that, and he is capturing my queen. It's a good move again. If I attack the knight on d4 and h5, let's see. And the d4 knight is strong. If he captures my knight, b5 knight, I will capture. Okay, he captures here. So I think I should capture. And I think I'm better because some ace pawn, there is no ace pawn. Okay, next attack. I think I should play queen here. Can I play? Opponent always had better timing than me, always. I think white is attacking actually, so who is attacking? He's also doing defending plus, but pushing pawns, weakening. My queen is hanging. I do that. Capture, have a check, and third pawn I capture. But he has only one check. So that sense, I think I should not do that, but I can hit the bishop, hit the knight, sorry. So he got some attack, guys. But he is the pawn structure on king side. But I have some checks. Yeah, I think I can try this. Have a check. Then if the king goes to black, then yeah, of course we will check. And then maybe I'm winning the knight. If my opponent mistakes, I'll take the knight. Yes, I saw that. So hope I'm getting my piece back. If king g7 now, king a8, g8, then again bishop check, and he's maybe dead. But I need to capture first. The strong knight attacking me. He almost trying to capture my bishop e2, have a check, and he's capturing my ace pawn, opening. Still he has some attacks. The rook is coming on ace g file and capture here, and he can get it. Yeah, but I think he can capture or he can push. I can get a queen again. What is better? Okay, I'm +1, so capture, 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 and just one group check. If you don't capture, he will capture and have a strong attack. Okay, let's fix that pawn. Let's take it free. But if you want to capture my g3 pawn, I'll push it. First capture this. Let's try. Push. Check. Simple. And now it is. I'm pushing the pawn, and I think I should win the game. But I should be careful here also. King can try, no problem. I don't need to hurry. Now this is push. Okay. I can save also. Then it is tough for me. But I have extra bond. It is not very otherwise it is